inhalant use in Fairfax County. Do you know the facts? For 6th and 8th graders surveyed in Fairfax County, inhalant use is more common than cigarettes or marijuana.
What exactly are inhalants?
Inhalants are common products often found in the home and are among the most popular and deadly substances kids and younger teens abuse. Some products used as inhalants are glue, shoe polish, gasoline or lighter fluid, aerosols like spray paint or computer cleaners, locker odorizers, cleaning fluids, and nitrous oxides or whippets. Kids inhale the fumes to get high, and this results in a quick, lightheaded feeling. Inhaling can also be called huffing or dusting.
Isn't my child too young to be involved with any drugs?
If your child is in the 6th to 8th grade, the risk for inhalant use is higher than it is for older teens. In the 6th grade, they are as likely or more likely to use inhalants as they are to use alcohol, cigarettes, or marijuana. By the 8th grade, there's a significant increase in alcohol and other drug use, but inhalant use still remains steady.
I don't understand why kids would do this. It sounds awful.
The combination of peer pressure, free time, and accessibility to inhalants increase young people's tendency to participate in this dangerous activity. It can cause heart palpitations, breathing difficulty, dizziness, or headaches. Long-term use may cause brain damage or damage to nerve cells and other organs. Inhalants can also be deadly, even on the first try. Unlike other drugs, inhalant substances are not illegal to buy or own, and kids may not even realize that it's illegal in Virginia to inhale noxious chemicals or to convince others to do so.
How would I know if my teen was using inhalants? What should I look for?
Some signs of inhalant use are chemical odors on breath or clothing, paint or stains on hands, face, or clothes, missing, misplaced, or hidden household items or cleaners, drunk or disoriented appearance, slurred speech, or loss of appetite.
So what can I do to help my child be safe and make good decisions about inhalant abuse?
According to Fairfax County Youth Survey data, kids are much less likely to abuse inhalants if they feel they can ask their parents for help when they have personal problems, if their family rules on drugs are clear, and if they feel that their parents know where they are when they're not at home. Help your teen understand that inhalants are not recreational drugs. They are poisons. Even if they can be found around the house and are legal to buy or own, they are still dangerous to inhale or ingest. In addition to talking to your child about the dangers of inhalant use, you can always help your teen
by helping them be successful in school,
giving them a voice in family decisions that affect them,
acknowledging when they do a good job,
helping them be involved in activities in and out of school,
and encouraging them to volunteer in their community.
The more teens feel they are an active part of their family, school, and community, the less likely they are to engage in risky behaviors. Talk to your young teen about inhalants. Make sure he or she knows the facts. For more information, go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/youth survey.